Hello and welcome to Wednesday. Quick little video here so you have your warm-up. What stood out to you from yesterday's image activity, or what did you learn? So think back to all the different pictures of Iran, and were they surprising to you, were they not? What could you kind of pick up from them? And then you have the vocab notes and video. So essentially, you can either watch this 5-minute video where I go over the 3-minute vocab words, give some extra examples, and just kind of try to really make sure that you understand. But if you feel quite confident and you want to get it done sooner, feel free to go through the slides and read them on your own pace. Once you are done with that, you go to the Iran vocab scenarios. And then in this assignment, put your name down, and then you just read this carefully. And then this is an example of which one of these words. So if you need a little extra help, I would advise of opening up an extra tab and just kind of looking at the notes you were given and just kind of comparing it to what you're reading to get the right answer.